Okay, we're just going to make a quick little video to show that we have this thing running and turning a generator head. The motor here, just real quick, we've got all 8 ports of it coming out, or 4 ports, but 8 wires, all tied in parallel, and then we are feeding it from this power supply here. Has variable voltage and current capabilities, and we're ultimately going to be turning this generator head as a load. Now, when this is a whole nother subject, but to run this power supply, I'm going to have to start up a 3-phase single to 3-phase converter that I've built, and that's noisy. So we'll start that first. Let me energize the plug here and get that converter. Now we've got some 3-phase power. I'm not even going to say anything about that converter because that's not part of this project. So we have voltage and current capabilities here, and I'm going to just start this with the smallest voltage possible, 1 volt, and by golly, it's pulling 5 amps. But although it's real slow, the motor's turning. Just thought that was amusing. So we're gonna raise things up here a little bit. Pull back here so you can see both. Okay, we're up to about 5 volts. Okay, so right now we're putting in 44 volts, 23.6 amps. Motor's turning at a fairly high speed. RPM, and the generator says it has some power on it. Plug in a light bulb, hey, it works. So, just like I said, real quick test, it does work. So that'll be the conclusion of this test.